Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the tool preferences, and this will be part 1. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Now if we head into the program, so let's carry on with our preferences. So edit, preferences, and then we're going to be looking at the last tab. Now under this tab you'll be able to set up how some of these tools react by default. So when you're working them, it is more consistent to your preference. So first up on our list here we've got spell checking or check spelling, and this over here you can choose if you want it on or not. So if you're typing text, you want to make sure it is spelled correctly, just leave this one on and then it'll automatically check it for you. And then on top of that we've got the language. So this is obviously the language you want to be looking in. We have a list here we can choose from, and then I'm just going to leave mine on the UK English. So that's a handy one, so you can change this if you need to, very convenient. Then under that we've got cloud page. This only has one option here, and this is disable submission of file names to the cloud. So if you're going to be uploading anything to the cloud, and then once you upload it and this one's enabled, it's going to kind of just give you a generic name for those files, so that it's not your actual names you've added. So you can add this if you want to just have it more generalized. That is also an option. Next one here we've got Flexi tutorial. This is every time you start up the program, do you want it to give you that little tutorial on how to use it or not? I personally like this one off, because by now I already kind of have an idea of what's what. But if you're new, definitely leave this one on. And then after that we've got metering or meter, and this will basically try if you have a meter and it's connected to a port, you can set it up over here so you can choose if you want to meter the color, lighting and so forth. It's a little bit more complex topic this. I would definitely say if you do have a meter, first do some research on it, and then you can just simply come set it here to the correct one, and then you can calibrate it. Then after that we've got paste, and this will be how it reacts. Now by default, if I had to, let's say, create a shape, I'm going to copy this with control, or let's go on top here, copy, paste, and by default we get this little blue rectangle with its dotted lines to show us where we want to place it. So this is nice, so we can manually place it at a place if we want. Now if we had to turn that off, then what's going to happen is we can also define a distance, but now if I copy and paste it, it is automatically going to paste it at this offset from wherever I've copied it. So if I go copy paste, okay, wait, I don't think I said okay to those preferences. Just make double sure, apply through this. Okay, so on my place say okay. Now if I say Control C, Control V, you see it placed it automatically for us. Control C, Control V, and then it has an offset. So if you want to have a quick workflow, this is always an option. But I must say you kind of get spoiled with the idea where you can see where you're about to paste your new one. So I'm going to keep that one off. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the first part. So join me on the second video for the second part, where you go to the rest of the preferences. In the meanwhile though, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.